Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to link your partner on Flow app. And this first guys thing you can to do is open your application and your device, and let's get started. Click the bottom right corner, just tap. So here you can find individual code, and you can here it is this code guys. You can copy code and resend the code and you to your partner, and you will receive a special link to the Flow app. After that you will be automatically added, and you can enter this code at moment he send up application. So this is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget like, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more content and ideas about application and social media apps. Thanks for watching.